Ndewo. My name is Chidinma Okeke. I am the owner of Chidinma Designs, or simply Dimma Designs, where I make educational materials for people that want to learn the Igbo language in the most easiest and fun way. These materials consist of flashcards, almanacs, short videos, or short explanatory videos. Let's see what the flashcards look like. These are some of the flashcards. They're suitable for children and adults. Let's see what the almanacs look like. We make them according to the choices of our partners or clients. They can have whatever you want inside them, parts of the body or whatsoever you want us to include in the almanacs. They are also suitable for children and adults. Remember that these materials are made with the intent of teaching you Igbo language in the most easiest and fun way. They are interactive. Some of the flashcards have QR codes which when you scan them, it takes you to where you can listen to the correct sound. Those ones are made on, special requests. You can simply check me out on other social media to see what I am doing there, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bye.